Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. This week marks the halfway point for the semester. We will be reviewing chapter 10 in the book. This week is all about malaria and neglected tropical diseases. As a child, I experienced the effects of malaria firsthand while living in Papua New Guinea, and this is a deadly disease that affects many of the poorer regions of the world. This is the third of the big 3 infectious diseases, with HIV, AIDS, and tuberculosis. It is often a requirement when traveling to a remote country to take preventative vaccinations, which can at times be a live culture of this disease. This week, you will continue to learn about infectious diseases, specifically those that are considered tropical diseases. Reflect back to week 6 as well, and go back through the additional resources that were provided to learn about the varying infectious diseases. In addition to reading chapter 10 and completing the quiz, you will also read another case study and complete a discussion board. We will take a look at malaria in Sri Lanka. This begins on page 92 of the case study document that is linked in Blackboard. So you'll go here and start on page 92. This case study will introduce you to malaria and the program that is being implemented to address specific concerns associated with malaria. This includes information on malaria in surveillance, prevention, interventions, and costs. This case study will help you understand how public health professionals implement public health programs that allow us to assess their effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. By understanding what works and what doesn't, we can refine interventions to achieve better health outcomes for the population. These case studies provide real-world examples of public health challenges and the strategies used to address them. Studying these case studies will help you identify evidence-based decision-making and how this is supported. Malaria is a significant global health challenge, as you will read in this case study. You will complete each aspect of this assignment as laid out in Blackboard for full points. Be thorough in your review of the case study. Each one of these headers, make sure to answer in depth and thoroughly each of the questions below, and finally respond to at least 2 of your peers. The Unit 1 exam is next week. If you go to course modules, you'll see in week 9 it is the unit exam. This covers chapters 1 through 10. If you go to the week 9 module, you will be able to find an extra credit opportunity to create a study guide with the assistance of your classmates. This is using the wiki page in Blackboard. So you can click this to have a wiki overview. So you'll see the instructions here. You'll want to identify which section is yours based on the first initial of your last name. If you have 2 names or a hyphenated last name, you can choose which one you will use. Someone will create a wiki and contribute meaningfully. This means reviewing the chapter, creating practice questions, reviewing important definitions, dates, etc. It will track who contributes to the wiki page, and there will be up to 10 points will be given to your overall unit exam grade. This will be done individually because I can see who provides what. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a really great week. Just for your information, I will be out of town October 11th through the 14th. I will still be available by email, but may not be as quick to respond. So I recommend getting into the class early this week. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.